Hey gang, Ryan here, currently at Nashville Airport. About to fly back to LA. And there's a little live band playing in there. They might start while we're chatting. And about to join the line over here. But Austin asked and said basically he's got a client who's been going really well up until now. And then recently they've asked him to change a few things and it's taken the project in a different direction. One that he's felt wouldn't be, to a standard that he is willing to post and show online, whether that's his social profiles or his portfolio, and include in that way. And what should he do? Because he doesn't want to attach. Just got to make sure they don't call my name. He doesn't want to attach his name to it and asked what should he do. So great question, Austin. And something I learned a long time ago when I was writing music from a mentor of mine. And he said, Ryan, not every lyric that you write needs to be heard by the world. And I sort of said, what do you mean by that? He said, well, some lyrics are for your personal keepsakes. Some aren't meant to be shared internationally. Some are just for you and maybe your close few to hear, but not everything's for everybody. And it's the same when it comes to design. There's going to be jobs that you take on that, frankly, you just do not enjoy. You don't think that the direction is the best outcome, but that is the one that the client picks. And the best thing you can do about that is share with them that, in your professional design opinion, you would suggest another alternative. But when push comes to shove and the client wants that design, hey, let's make them happy, let's over-deliver and give them absolutely what they want, because ultimately that's going to make them happy, right? Secondly, you don't need to put that on your profile. It doesn't need to go up on your portfolio, it doesn't need to go up online, and maybe that's just one for the archives and it continues to pay the bills, and maybe it's a really well-paying job, but it doesn't get showcased publicly. So Austin, hope that helps. Just remember, not everything that you create has to go online. I know we think that. You can probably hear the band starting now and a whole bunch of other noise. So I'm going to jump on my flight, but I hope that helps, and keep asking questions because I love answering them for you. And hey, if you haven't joined our tribe yet, click the link below, find where the group's at, come hang out, because we're answering questions like these on the regular, helping you get from where you are now as a freelancer to full-time freelancing within 12 months. So, gang, hopefully you can hear that music. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.